Hi boys and girls. We're going to work in our map book today. So please get out your map book and we're going to turn to page number 8. Page number 8. This is where we're going to start. And this page is going to be about symbols. And it says, what are map symbols? A symbol is a drawing that stands for a real thing. Many maps use symbols to stand for real things. Look at the pictures and their symbols. So let's take a look here. Let's look at the left side first with all our real pictures. Our first one is yes, it's a tree. And then the second picture is a bench. Then we have a slide. Good job. Oh, and the last thing, what are those? They're swings. Very good. So you can tell these are pictures that somebody took, a real picture. Now, we know that we like to draw pictures. So over here, these are drawings or symbols meaning the same thing. So let's look. Our first one is the symbol of the tree. The second one is the symbol of the bench. The third one is the symbol of the slide. And the fourth one is the symbol of the swings. So let's go to the bottom and see what questions Buddy has for us today. Number 1, circle the symbol of the tree. So let's go up to the tree. We have these two choices. Which one is the symbol? The symbol. Point to it right now. Yes, this is the symbol. So we're going to circle this tree. Now, number 2. Number 2 says, draw a line under the symbol of the swing. So let's find the swings. Here are 2 swings. Which one is the symbol of the swing? Point to it now. Yes. So we're going to underline the swing. And number 3, draw an X on the symbol of the slide. Well, let's find the slides. Here we go. Point to the one that is the symbol of the slide. Very good. Let's put an X on the symbol of the slide. This is what page 8 should look like. Now, we're going to move over to page 9. Symbols help us to use a map. A map key tells you what the symbol on the map stands for. Look at the symbols and the words that tell what they stand for. The symbol for the house and the ball are missing. Draw these symbols where they belong. So here's our key. Let's take a look. We have a picture of a tree and the word tree. Here's the bench and the word bench. The slide, the word slide. Swing and the word swing. Well, now we have the word house. We need to make a house. So with your pencil, you do your best to make a house. And I'll do my best to make my little house. And it can be however you want it to be. So now I have a symbol of a house. And the last one says a ball. Well, we need a symbol of a ball. So you're going to make a ball. And you can color that ball any color you want. I'm going to put little lines on my ball. And you can make that however you want. So now we have a symbol there. And those are some symbols. Nice job. Now we're going to do a couple more pages because they go together. It's going to be a story from Buddy. And we're going to be talking about using those symbols. So turn to page 10. Take a look up here. We've got a picture of a park. It's called Lakeview Park. And we have a key that has pictures to tell us the things that are at the park. We have trees and rocks, a fireplace, logs, a lake, an island, picnic tables, and a tent. So let's see what Buddy has to say. Buddy went to the park. He saw trees. He saw rocks. Then he saw a big lake. Buddy put his toy boat into the lake. The boat sailed to the island. Now, it says look at the key in the map. Find each symbol in the key on the map. So let's take a look. Number 1, draw an X on the lake. So, we know this is what the lake looks like. So we're going to come up here and just put an X somewhere on your lake. Then it says, number 2, draw a circle around the rocks. So let's take a look. Find those rocks. Here we go. Let's circle those rocks. And the last one, number 3, draw a check on the trees. We look at our key, we know what those trees are going to look like. We're going to come up here and put a check on our trees. All right, let's move over to page 11. Uh-oh, look at Buddy. Something's happened. Let's read and find out. Dear boys and girls, what a surprise. When I came back to the park, things were different. Some things were still there, but some things were missing, and some fun things have been added. What things would you add to the park to make it fun for you? Please draw them for me on the map, then add them to the key. Begin by adding back the lake and the island. They have been put in your key for you. So here's the picture of the park, and as you see, some things are missing. So let's look at the key. Fireplace. Yes, the fireplace is there. Logs. Yes, the logs are there. Tent. Yes, the tent is there. Uh-oh, no lake, no island, but yes, the picnic table is there. So the first thing we need to do is draw our lake. So do your best on the map to make your lake. Then we know in the middle of the lake is the island. So we have to make a round circle here for our island, and you can put that tree on the island. Then there are 2 spaces here for you to add 2 things to your map and then draw them. It can be anything you want. So maybe you want to add a swing. I'm going to kind of add my little swing, and remember, you draw better than me. And I think I would put my swing back by the tent. And then you can think of other things that you might want. I think I might put a little sandbox. Put some sand in there. And I'm going to put my sandbox down at the bottom of the lake. And I add that to there. I want you to come up with your own 2 things. Think about what you might want at the park. Maybe you want a drinking fountain. Maybe you want a campfire started so you can roast those marshmallows and make s'mores. Think about what you might want. It can be anything. Maybe you want a slide or a jungle gym to kind of climb on. Draw your pictures in your key and then put it to your map. You may use crayons if you want to color your picture. Can't wait to see your map.